For this exercise, we're going to try thought watching, which can feel a bit more difficult than some of the other mindfulness exercises, so just be patient with yourself with it while you try it. So the idea is that we're going to pay attention to our breathing, and then as thoughts come up, instead of trying to force them away or ignore them, we are going to watch them from afar as they float by, and we will be using the imagery of clouds going by in the sky. So the idea with this is to see your thoughts as separate from yourself and as temporary things that don't last, instead of getting caught up in the thoughts and following them down whatever rabbit hole they're going down. And at the same time, being able to stay present with your breathing and with the moment. So be patient, give it a try, and let's see how it goes. So take a comfortable seat, sitting up tall so your breath flows easily. Feet flat on the ground, hands in your lap, and start bringing your attention to your breath. Noticing your inhale and your exhale, feeling your belly rising and expanding with the inhale, and then falling and contracting with the exhale. And not trying to change the breath, just watching it and noticing how it feels to be breathing. And as thoughts come up, which they inevitably will, trying to see them as clouds in the sky. So you're just watching them float by, just easily drifting away as a new thought maybe comes up. And that one too you can watch float by, not attaching to it, not forcing it to go away. Just breathing and watching it. So take a couple more breaths as you continue practicing this exercise. Watching your thoughts like clouds. And maybe at some point you get hooked onto a thought and you follow it down a path instead of watching it float by. That's okay. Just noticing when that happens, bringing your attention back to your breath, and then letting the thought float by. And you can keep practicing this as long as you like, or at periods throughout your day, just kind of noticing if you're getting attached to a thought and seeing if you can release it and just watch it go by. And as new thoughts come up, letting them come and go. Thank you for practicing this exercise with me. Take care.